In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks on Trello in 2025 with this full guide. Whether you're organizing a project team or just keeping track of personal to-dos, assigning tasks in Trello is both effective and user-friendly. Let's dive right in and make the most of Trello's features to keep you organized and productive. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. This is the place where all the magic begins. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently on the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be given options to log in using your email or directly through your Google account. Choose whichever is more convenient for you and enter your credentials to access your Trello workspace. Once logged in, make your way to the boards section. This is essentially the control center where you can access all your Trello boards. But before you dive into any specific board, look for the Your Workspaces section. This is where your various boards are categorized and organized. Locate the board you want to work on. If you're managing multiple boards, a little tip is to use the search function to find your board more quickly. Once you've found it, click on the board to open it. Now take a look at the various cards on the board. Each card typically represents a task or a specific piece of information. Click on the card that you wish to assign to a team member. This will bring up a detailed view of the card, showing options and information related to the task. This is where you can manage the nitty-gritty details of the task. In the detailed view of the card, locate and click on the Members option. This feature allows you to assign the task to one or more members of your Trello team. As you click on it, you'll see a search box that lets you find the individual you wish to assign this task to. Simply type in the member's name to search or scroll through the list of available members if you prefer to do it that way. When you see the person's name appear, click on it and voila! That person is now a member of the card, meaning they are responsible for that task along with any other assignees. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently assign tasks to your team, ensuring that everyone knows what they're working on and nothing falls through the cracks. And that wraps up our tutorial on task assignment in Trello. With these tools at your fingertips, you can manage your projects more efficiently and keep your team on track. Happy planning and see you next time.